Hi everyone. So this is going to be my new version of our kind of weekly plan for our distance learning. If you saw my last video, I apologize. I thought everything would link properly when I shared, when I gave each one of you a copy of the slideshow, but technology is technology and it didn't work. So we just kind of have to revamp. I am still going to have us the whole week's lessons out, but they're just going to be broken up by subject this time. So you'll see math Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, reading, writing, social studies, science, all those things each day. However, right now, I just have today's lessons up. I will be putting the other lessons up throughout the day into tomorrow. So please forgive me, be patient. We're kind of working together. I didn't really know what was going to happen, and I needed to adjust. So if you can hear that, he's very upset that we are inside. Sorry. But every lesson for Monday, March 30th is up. You have a math lesson, you have a mystery Doug, you have a question of the day, reading. Reading is actually the full week because it's just going to be a reading log. We're going to get back into it. So reading is the full week, writing, and then today's social studies lesson. Like I said, you will be seeing every subject and the full week's lessons, but I just wanted to get today's up so we can get started. Again, I apologize for any confusion. Hopefully this all works out. If not, we'll just make some more adjustments. That's just kind of what we're going to have to do. But just like before, everything is going to be due on, since I'm giving you the whole week, everything is going to be due on Sunday, April 5th by 8 o'clock. Okay? 8 o'clock p.m. So you have the whole week to do all of your work, but please don't move on to the next day's lesson until that day. So for example, if you see Tuesday's math lesson up later today, please wait to do that until tomorrow, because fourth graders are supposed to be expected to only do 2 hours of work a day. And if you go ahead and all those lessons, you'll be doing far more. Plus, it's just a day by day thing. So, yes, you are still going to have all week's lessons, but instead of it on one slideshow, which would have been nice, maybe I'll try to figure out how to do that for next week. We're just going to have each individual subject, okay? Everything's still the same. You're going to, you'll see the announcements first, kind of like in our Google Classroom, announcements, then expectations, or they might be flip-flopped. And then we're going to kind of go in order of our day, okay? I think we have either Mystery Doug or Question of the Day, okay, because you're going to do Question of the Day every day. Mystery Doug is only going to be on Mondays. Then we have Math, Writing, Reading, Science, or Social Studies. This week is going to be focusing on Social Studies, or next week will be Science. At the end of the classroom, you have a specials topic. That is for our specials, music, PE, and art. Please scroll down and you'll find the 3 through 5 grades in your activities that you can do. And when you complete those, if you decide to do that, you need to email whatever teacher you're doing it for. So if you're doing music, you'll email Mrs. Beeman, PE, Mr. Nodoff, and art, Mrs. Dykstra. You don't need to email me those. Those are your kind of specials time. All right? So everything should be up there. Like I said, you're going to see just Monday, March 30th assigned right now. You might see some more being assigned later in the day, but I'm hoping that we will have all of the week's lessons posted either later today or tomorrow. Okay? I know moms and dads have been emailing me, which is great, with some questions. And again, I know it was kind of up in the air and a little bit confusing right now, but I tried to answer them as quickly as I can. Remember, I'll be doing office hours from like 10 to noon each day. So if you have questions or mom and dad have questions, I'll email them right away within a few minutes. outside that window, it might take me a couple of hours or later in the evening to get back to you. Okay? Remember, this is all new for all of us. So if something doesn't work, something isn't, loading correctly, please don't stress out about it. We will figure it out together. Even if it's the next day or 2 days later, it will be all right. Okay? So hopefully we have today's all set, ready to go. And you will, again, all of your assignments are due on Sunday, April 5th. However, for example, for math, if you are assigned home connections or student book pages, I would do that right away. Okay? Kind of make it like a school day. If you work like a school day, it'll be much, much easier to transition into working at home than if you just pile it up and do it all on Sunday. So if you have an assignment, do the assignment that day. Or kind of think about it, we're at school. If you have a math assignment, we always get 2 days to do that. Well, give yourself 2 days. Okay? Do the assignments, do the work on that day. The reason I'm saying they're not due until the 5th is because if something comes up, and you're not able to do something that day, you don't have to stress out about it. But if it's assigned, it's a good idea to work on that assignment that day so you're not piling up the work, stressing yourself out. Okay? So I hope you have everything cleared up. I hope everyone has access to all of the things, all of the assignments. Fingers crossed. Again, I wish we were at school together. This would be much easier. But this is our kind of new setup for a while. But yeah, we're going to make it through. We'll work out all the kinks, and I'm sure by the time we go back to school, we would have figured this out perfectly. All right, so I'll see you guys soon. Talk to you soon, and good luck. Bye.